How to fix GCash update problem. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the GCash update problem. So if your app isn't updating or acting up, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now type GCash in the search bar and tap on the app. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Wait a few moments for the update to finish. Once the update is complete, go back to your home screen and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps, then select Manage Apps. Now search for GCash and tap on it. Next, tap Force Stop, then confirm by selecting OK. After that, tap Storage and Cache. From here, choose Clear Cache, then confirm. Perfect. Now open your GCash app again. Everything should be working fine, and your update issues should be fixed. And that's it. This is the easiest way to solve GCash update problems and get your app running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.